Hi everyone, welcome to PowerPoint X. Today we're doing the neat trick. In this we will see how to create a more interactive PowerPoint presentation. So for this, let's suppose I have one data here. It's related to the island. So what is all about the island? So first of all, I'm converting this data into the some bullets finds. Then I'm converting this data into the this smart art something. So this is a smart art. I converted it very easily because you have to select and you need to convert this only. So this is my data here. Now what I'm doing, so first of all, I'm adding one image here. Let's suppose I added this image. Now what I'm doing, I'm sending this into the background, this image. So you need to select the image, then picture format, and then you need to go here send backward. So you can see this is the send backward I done. So my presentation, I added these slides here. Now you need to, let's suppose if you want to increase the font, so I let's suppose 35. So I increasing the font, let's suppose 20 here. So this is increased, and what I'm doing, I'm removing this smart art boxes here from this. So I'm going here, then shape fill blank and shape outline blank. Then I clicking here, then I click the F4 key. So with the F4 you can remove the background. So I remove the background for the all these boxes, and now you can see here this is. So why I use this smart art, because your text will be aligned very effectively. So else you need to align the your text very carefully, because your text is moving up and backward. So this is the main reason for using this smart art. So you can see here this is showing the absolutely fine. Now what I'm doing, I'm stretching this more to here, and doing this more in black. So I stretch more, and I'm doing this into the back. Now you can see here. So this is my text. Now I'm doing like this one. This is the island, and one by one I will show the text. So what I'm doing, I'm copying this first slide, then pasting the second slide here, and then I'm moving like this. Then same for the next, I copied this and paste it down. Now I'm going for the third, and this is my third point. Now for the fourth. So with the morph is showing some automatically your this is stretching is showing the only the one slide. Right now we are making the multiple slides, but if when you're playing this, so it's showing the only this is the one. Now the next slide, the last slide is this. Now you can see here I moved the next slide also. Now I'm selecting the my all slides and going into the transitions. Then I selected the morph. Now I'm going for the first slide, and now I'm playing this. Now you can see here is showing the island is moving. Now what is island? Known about the this is a landscape. Celebrate the St. Patrick Day. Official language are Irish. Rich history and the castles, and this is all about the slide. So it's showing more effectively, and it's very easy to use it. So this is all about how we are creating the interactive PowerPoint presentation using the more feature. Thank you guys.